Hi, LearnDash course creators. You've spent years building your online course. Your students are submitting assignments, but how do you really know the work is theirs and not picked up from a website? In LearnDash, you can tackle both these issues automatically. Introducing LearnDash Plagiarism Checker Pro, the only plagiarism and AI detection tool built exclusively for LearnDash LMS. No third-party dashboards, no switching tabs, no extra logins. Everything lives right inside your LearnDash admin, exactly where your workflow already is. It runs two powerful engines simultaneously. First, web plagiarism detection, powered by Copyleaks. The moment a student submits their assignment, the plugin gets to work, scanning billions of web pages and academic databases to find copied content. You get a precise plagiarism score, delivered automatically, no manual submissions, no waiting. And second, AI content detection, powered by Claude by Anthropic. One of the most advanced language models in the world analyzes the submission and returns a verdict. Human, likely AI, or definitely AI, instantly scored from 0 to 100. But it goes even deeper. The plugin checks writing style consistency, comparing a student's new submission against their previous work. Because a sudden change in writing style? That tells a story of its own. The best part? You don't have to do anything. The moment a student uploads their file, the plugin automatically queues a full scan. Results appear right in your assignment list, color-coded, at a glance, for every student. Need the full picture? One click opens a beautiful, detailed integrity report for each submission. Plagiarism score, AI verdict, style analysis, internet matches, word count stats, everything a course instructor or academic administrator needs in one printable report. And you can add your own teacher notes directly on the report, keeping all your observations in one place. Worried you'll miss something? Set your alert thresholds, and the plugin will email you automatically whenever a submission crosses the line. Student name, flags raised, direct link to the report, everything you need to act fast. Your students submit all kinds of files, and the plugin handles them all: PDFs, Word documents, text files, spreadsheets, presentations, no reformatting required. Setup takes minutes. Head to LearnDash, Settings, Plagiarism Checker. Enter your Copyleaks and Anthropic API keys. Hit Test Connection. You're live. No coding, no server configuration, no dev team required. Your course represents real knowledge, real effort, real value. Your students deserve a fair playing field, and you deserve the tools to protect it. LearnDash Plagiarism Checker Pro. Integrity automated. Get the plugin today. Link in the description.